What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And as you know, we talk about money here. We talk about stuff like credit cards, credit unions, real estate, crypto, side hustles, etc. Just leaving out the gym, guys, working on my health, trying to keep that strong. And just a quick shout out, if you're not working to keep your health strong, then you are neglecting your wealth. All right, just want to say that. This video, I'm going to talk about banks, in particular Bank of America, because they're really making some moves, and I just wanted to chat about it real quick with you. My previous video, I talked about the Bank of America grant that they're giving out to minority and women-owned businesses, specifically for those that are looking for commercial real estate lending and things like that. And now they got this community home loan solution where they're doing no money down and no minimum credit score. So it's kind of hard to see where they're going with this. They say it's going to be 21 cities and 5 cities to start. And those cities are Detroit, Miami, Los Angeles, Dallas, and Charlotte, North Carolina. And, it's supposed to be in predominantly Black and Latino communities. So they're saying they're trying to bridge that gap as far as being able for people to get home loans, because inflation has rocked a lot of people. The rise in home values, the prices have rocked a lot of people, and then a lot of folks just don't have the down payment. So the credit piece to this is really not that foreign. Once upon a time, you could get FHA loans with what they called alternate credit. And that sounds kind of like what this is. So they're not requiring a credit score. Alternate credit back in the day was when you would get your credit history based on utility payments and things like that, banking information, and it looks like they're going to go some type of route that way to determine your, whether or not you should be approved. But the no down payment part is really confusing to me, because FYI, banks are not in the real estate business. They're in the business of lending money. And typically with most products, you got to have some skin in the game, even if it's only 1% down out of your pocket. So no money down, I believe no closing costs. This is all really strange to me, but we'll see where it goes. We'll see if there's going to be any copycat lenders that jump on this train, because it seems like, to me, what they're trying to do is run the housing market up even higher, because the demand has dwindled with the rise in interest rates. So with interest rates rising and demand falling, homes staying on the market longer, we're starting to see pullbacks in prices in lots of markets, and it varies depending on where exactly you are. It seems like some type of tactic to try and run this up a little bit further, and then when they pull the rug from under, then you'd have a huge housing drop. But, that's just my opinion on it. But they're going to be doing no money down. You don't need a credit score minimum to be approved. They're going to be using old school alternate credits or stuff like your utility bills to get you approved. And this is going to be in predominantly Black and Latino communities. So I don't know. What do you think about this product? All of the details are not out yet. I'll make a follow-up video when they got more information for me to share. But tell me in the comments, like, what are you thinking about this product? Do you know people that are going to try and take advantage of it? It could be definitely good for a lot of people, but I just don't see a bank like Bank of America, going with something like this, but for a short period of time. But anyway, if you found value, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon. More videos coming. We'll keep talking about money and leveling up financially. Until then, guys, I am gone.